Success is frequently depicted as a thrilling and dramatic event, leading many to believe that achievement happens suddenly. However, this portrayal often masks the reality of what it truly takes to succeed. The myth of overnight results persists because stories of rapid triumph are more captivating and easier to share. This misconception can shape our expectations, making us impatient or discouraged when progress is slow. Understanding the real nature of achievement helps us set more realistic goals and appreciate the steady effort behind genuine success. Daily routines play a crucial role in building lasting success. By repeating positive habits consistently, individuals lay a strong foundation for progress over time. It's not grand gestures, but the steady commitment to everyday actions that leads to meaningful results. This ongoing dedication transforms small efforts into significant achievements in the long run. Consistently performing the same tasks with precision is a key factor that distinguishes successful individuals from others. Mastery is not achieved through occasional bursts of effort, but rather through the disciplined repetition of simple actions. Over time, these repeated efforts compound, leading to significant improvement and expertise. Excellence, therefore, is less about grand gestures and more about the commitment to doing ordinary things extraordinarily well. Patience plays a crucial role when progress seems slow and repetitive. The monotony of doing the same tasks over and over can be discouraging, making it easy to lose motivation. However, enduring this boredom is a true test of one's commitment and resilience. Those who persist through these periods often find that steady, consistent effort leads to meaningful results over time. Let's take a moment to review the main points covered so far. Achieving success is less about sudden, dramatic breakthroughs and more about establishing consistent routines. Repetition plays a crucial role, helping to build skills and reinforce positive habits over time. Patience is equally important, as meaningful progress often unfolds gradually rather than all at once. Together, these elements form the foundation for lasting achievement. Mastery is not always about excitement or constant stimulation. Often, it is the ability to endure and work through periods of boredom that sets true experts apart. By persisting through these unremarkable moments, individuals build the discipline and consistency necessary for deep learning. Over time, this commitment transforms routine practice into genuine expertise. Maintaining consistency often presents emotional hurdles, as it requires ongoing effort and dedication. However, understanding the importance of repetition can make these challenges more manageable. Each repeated action not only builds skill, but also strengthens motivation and resilience. Over time, this process fosters a sense of accomplishment and encourages perseverance, even when progress feels slow. Recognizing these benefits can help sustain commitment through difficult moments. Success often appears uneventful from the outside, yet its true strength is rooted in steady, consistent effort. The routines and habits that drive achievement may seem monotonous, but they are essential for lasting progress. Reflect on your ability to remain dedicated, even when the journey feels repetitive or uninspiring. It's this unwavering commitment to the process that ultimately leads to meaningful results.